Yo, so what is up, guys? I have a great idea. So, for starting of this live and for future lives, I thought let's just live with you versus you. It's just me versus me. I am going to do live with myself. Up until now, I've been trading with myself alone, but now there is a camera and it's all live, and it's a completely, I mean, new experience for me. It's really great. And yesterday live was like really awesome. If you have missed yesterday live, then go back and watch that again, because on that live I have given you this beautiful trade idea already. Before I closed that live, I have told you that I am going to look for sales after this right here, this. And now it's a beautiful 10-hour trade. Like beautiful. If you have missed this, then no problem. I mean, oh my god. It's the last day of trading because it's a Friday, and we are going to have a good weekend now. I'm going to really enjoy this weekend, and I hope you are going to also enjoy this. So always, before you start your charts, what did I tell you yesterday? Always start with gratitude. What a beautiful day it is. What a great day to be alive. It's the youngest day for us, for you and for everyone. Because इसके बाद हम कभी भी जो भी हमारी ये जब वापिस ये एज नहीं आने वाली, वापिस ये दिन नहीं आने वाला. So let's live this day with full of positive energy. Let no negativity come near you. Even if they come, just stay aside, ignore or whatever. You have all of the mind power. Okay? It's you who have to decide your mental attitude. Whatever comes into your way, you have to decide it's a positive or negative. If it's negative, just let it go. Just let it go. Okay? So don't let anyone disturb your day, destroy your day. Enjoy your day, bro. Enjoy your day. Because your mental attitude is going to decide your future. If you live your whole day in a completely negative, or 24 घंटे तुम खुद से नेगेटिव बात कर रहे हो, मेरा ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, तो भाई तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. The basic rule of manifestation is that you have to get a feeling. Okay, you have to get into that shoes. जिस लेवल पे तुम जाने वाले हो, उस बंदे के शूज के अंदर अपने पैर टिका के देखो. ठीक है? So always start your day with gratitude. It's a beautiful day. May God bless you and bless me. And after that, let your prayers reach to the heavens. And after that, you have to read your rules. Because rules are like highways. If you don't know where you are going, you will take some random cut and you will reach some random destination. Okay? So let's take few minutes, and you must read your rules, and I must read my rules. Okay? So let me read my rule. So I have already decided my today's rule. So yesterday I have a great trade. After this I close my chart. No trading for today. And look, this is where sometimes luck matter. Trading, I believe trading is not like 100% strategy, mindset, this and that. I genuinely believe there is a few parts of luck in it. Okay? So like this one, if I miss this trade, then I am gonna be mad. मैं खुद से नेगेटिव बात करता कि यार ये इतनी अच्छी ट्रेड निकल गई, और फिर मैं फोमो के चक्कर में, या फिर वो होता ना कि यार इतनी अच्छी ट्रेड निकल गई, अब अंदर से कुछ आ रहा है कि अब कुछ करना है, उसके चक्कर में यहाँ पे कोई फर्जी ट्रेड लगा देता. अब नाउ फॉर मी द होल न्यूयॉर्क, आई डोंट फील एनी गुड एरियाज. द ओनली गुड एरियाज फॉर मी इज दिस वन. व्हेन प्राइस sweep this kind of liquidity, goes up, and then look, this is one of the most beautiful trade setup for me. Sorry, This is a trap right here. Now, whenever you see me, you have to know that we are going to trade EU and GU. I have already told you my specialty is EU and GU. Okay, I have backtested multiple pairs, and over the years I have see myself growing in EU and GU. I have traded gold also, US stock market also, Nasdaq also, but I feel like I have a good catch in these pairs with correlation. Okay, so for this one, if you have traded the New York session yesterday, then this is a beautiful trade that you can plan after on this mitigation. When price now always remember, whenever you have like two POIs, I have mentioned this in yesterday's class also on 1 hour. If you remember, I have already marked this high and this one and this lower one, these two POIs, and I told you whenever you have these two kind of POIs and price is hanging in between, if you know the backstory, then trade. If you don't know a single thing, then get out. Don't do anything. Even if you sit, then also you will catch a flying. वो कहते हैं ना कि उड़ता तीर लेना, आप उड़ता तीर लगाओगे ही लगाओगे, ठीक है। सो जल्दी से आज की सेशन पे आ जाते हैं। नाउ बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द सेशन आई हैव टू मेंशन एंड इन्फॉर्म यू that I have already given my today's trade bias in our Discord and Telegram groups. So if you want to be a little advanced, if you want to go, तुम टाइम से आगे चलना चाहते हो, ठीक है, ये लाइव ट्रेड तो अभी है, लेकिन आप जानना चाहते हो कि यार दिन स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही मेरा पर्सनल बायस क्या है, या इवन इफ यू ट्रेड गोल्ड, देन गोल्ड का भी बायस आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. सो यू कैन ज्वाइन डिस्कॉर्ड एंड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स, दे आर कम्प्लीटली फ्री, उसकी कोई चार्जेस वगैरह नहीं है. यू कैन ज्वाइन एंड देन सी आवर ट्रेड आइडियाज. ओके, सो नाउ go and check what I have told you, what I am looking for, and now comes back here. Now what do you see? What do we see right now? That price has already been swept this buy side liquidity. ऊपर के जितने भी टारगेट थे, अब इमेजिन करो, मैंने कल आपको क्या कहा था कि कल मैं आपको ये पूरी पीछे की बैक स्टोरी समझा रहा था. ये पीछे का पूरा जो सिनेरियो वगैरह ये क्या था, ठीक है. फिर किसी का मैसेज आया कि करंट में बताओ प्राइस ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा. अरे भाई, करंट में जानने से पहले आपको पीछे का देखना पड़ेगा प्राइस आ कहाँ से रहा है, ठीक है. अभी प्राइस जिस डेस्टिनेशन पे है, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे है, वो प्लेटफॉर्म का हाईवे कौन सा था, कहाँ से वो आ रखा है, ठीक है, और कहाँ पे वो जाएगा. अभी प्राइस बीच में है, मान के चलो कल प्राइस यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे, ठीक है. मैंने पीछे की कल पूरी स्टोरी समझाई, आपको बताया कि यार प्राइस यहाँ पे है एंड इसकी जो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग डेस्टिनेशन है, मिनिमम डेस्टिनेशन इस वीक की, मैंने कल लाइव में भी बोला था आपको कि यार इस वीक की जो मेरी पर्सनल डेस्टिनेशन है, जो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि प्राइस इस वीक के अंदर अंदर यहाँ तक तो जाएगा. तो मैंने ये लाइन, ये मेरी कल की ही मार्क की हुई है, ये सारी ये कल का ही है. ये आज तो बस ये है, ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन आपको दिख रही है, इसके पीछे भी रीज़न बताऊँगा ये क्यों मार्क की मैंने. ओके, सेम विद जी यू ऑल्सो. अब जीयू में भी अपन ने क्या किया, इसको मार्क कर दिया, ये मिनिमम लिक्विडिटी. नाउ व्हाई इज दिस, आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर फेमिलियर और नॉट विद द ऑर्डर ट्रांसफर, बट दिस राइट हेयर इज द लास्ट सेल टू बाय व्हिच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस ऑल ऑफ द ब्रेकआउट पीपल. नाउ इमेजिन, you have to always imagine and think with your logical mind that if people are entering here, if masses are entering here, what will they do? They will put their stop loss here or here, because these are also beautiful equal lows. Can you see this? Let's mark this equal lows, because I believe that's a valid liquidity area. Okay, we can look for price to even go more further to sweep these equal lows right here. Okay, now imagine people are entering here, what will they do? They will go to break evens or they will go to trail their stop. Okay, they will target the heavens, and now what they will do, either they put their stop here or they are going to put their stop here. So what I do, I mark this last sell to buy candle, because I believe this is a good candle for price to go and seek liquidity. Now, I have told you in the yesterday's live two things. If price wants to go up, what will it do? It will go down and then it will go up. And if price wants to go down, it will go up and down. So look at here. I told you this earlier. If our liquidity is this, then price need inducements. Price needs more people to open their positions. You get what I am saying? I have mentioned this multiple times yesterday, that if price wants to go up, it will go down 100%. It's just completely out of my experience. I have seen this so many times, hundreds and thousands of times, during backtest, live trade, so many times. If you have a clear target and you know the backstory, then this is the path that this algo, these charts are going to follow, especially EU, GU, AU. Okay, I have given you the path, the basic path, but for more information you can always join and we will discuss it further. Okay, and yeah, one more thing. देखो यार, लाइव पे मैं आपको हर चीज़ तो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता, ठीक है? अब ये बाय टू सेल क्या है, ब्रेकआउट पीपल, अब आप अगर बिल्कुल ही बेसिक हो, आपको कुछ नहीं पता, अब मैंने यहाँ पर ये इक्वल लोज मार्क तो कर दिए, बट अब मैं यहाँ पर लाइव पे आपको क्लियरली नहीं बता पाऊंगा कि प्राइस क्या पता इनको मिटिगेट करे एंड देन उठ जाए, ये भी तो पॉसिबिलिटी है, यहाँ पर ऐसे उठ जाए। अब इसको एक्सप्लेन वगैरह करने के लिए मेरे को पूरा फोकस्डली आपको बताना पड़ेगा। या हाय ब्रो, हेलो, व्हाट इज अप, व्हाट इज अप ब्रो? सो डू यू गेट माई पॉइंट? ओके, so that's my still bias for GU. I am still looking for, because I personally don't trust this week, this week right here. I don't trust this week, because most of the people, let's say even if people are entering on sells also, let's put it like this, they are going like this and they are targeting these equal lows. Now can you see how my mind is thinking? I am basically targeting the audience. I am basically targeting the all of the masses. Okay, our goal is to target where most of the people are entering. ठीक है, but first we have to know all of their strategies, what they do, what they follow. Most of them follow trend line, breakouts, whatever bullshit they follow. We have to learn everything, and after that we will use that knowledge against that, उनके ही खिलाफ हम यूज करेंगे. Okay, so look at this bro, look at this, price has started going down. Now look, there we have two possibilities. I personally have two possibilities in my mind. Yesterday I told you that when price is seeking something, a major liquidity or something, there are very less possibility that price will going to sweep liquidity. Yesterday I told you in this EU trade, when it's on M5, I told you that here, where is the pen? I told you that if price is looking for sweep some major liquidity, then there are less possibility that price, after all of this manipulation, can you see this? This is a beautiful manipulation. I will explain you what a manipulation and all of that. Yeah, one more thing, if you want to go in depth, then we are going to have our first batch from this May. And I have already told you, yesterday you have seen Nitin's live, he's a good friend of mine, and today you are seeing me, Rohit Sarawat. Remember my name, you are going to see me every day. We are going to trade London and New York. Today I am going to trade New York, and oh my god, I don't know what is going to happen today in the New York, because it is the closing of the week and I can't, sometimes I got like goosebumps. I don't know if you can see on camera or not, but I literally got the goosebumps like oh my god. Anyways, Let's come back. Delete this. I forgot what I'm telling. I forgot. So let's come back to the charts. Yeah. So London session just have started here on this candle. Let's go to the M1. And what do we have? 15. I have already told you why I marked this trend line. This is our premium, and I don't know what they call, what these retailers call, but yeah, premium and discount areas. Yeah. So if you have any doubt or questions or anything, if you have anything in mind, what you are looking for, if you are looking for buy from this area, because this is a very good area to look for buy. Can you see this? These equal lows. It's a beauty. It's so beautiful. If you want to plan a little scalp, it's a good area. Yesterday I told you that every candle has a reason. Every candle has a reason to form. प्राइस ने कोई नशे वसे नहीं फूक रखी है. हर एक कैंडल के पीछे पूरी की पूरी मैथ है, पूरी हर एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. ठीक है. या द ओनली थिंग दैट आई वुड से कि द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ अ एशिया सेशन, this is a random set. Don't trade this set, okay? And if you don't know what time it is, then just go and put it on New York, because I trade New York timings, and I have already told you why I trade New York timing. Can you guide the price action? I have price action of gold. Brother, I just told you 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes ago, that after trading multiple years, like I have been trading like 6+ years, and on the starting of these years I have traded multiple pairs. गोल्ड, मैंने गोल्ड भी ट्रेड किया, फोरेक्स भी ट्रेड किया, इवन क्रिप्टो भी ट्रेड किया. बट ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आप एक स्पेशलिटी आपको हासिल हो जाती है कि आप किसी चीज़ को पकड़ लेते हो कि यार ये चीज़, इस चीज़ में मेरी स्पेशलिटी है, और मेरी स्पेशलिटी ब्रो EU एंड GU है. ठीक है. आपको गोल्ड ट्रेड करनी है, हम करेंगे, मैं ट्राई करूँगा उसको भी ब्रेक डाउन करने का, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. ठीक है. बट अभी लंदन में गोल्ड देखने का कोई बेनिफिट नहीं है. ओके. आपको गोल्ड ट्रेड करना है, न्यूयॉर्क में आओ. आज शाम को करेंगे गोल्ड का एनालिसिस, बिकॉज न्यूयॉर्क में ही गोल्ड हो गया आपका, सिल्वर हो गया आपका, US30 हो गया भाई, उसी में ट्रेड करने का बेनिफिट है. इस टाइम रैंडम चीज़ होती है, इस टाइम ना उसमें मोमेंटम मिलेगा आपको इतना कुछ खास. ठीक है. इवनिंग सेशन में आओ, वहाँ पे करते हैं गोल्ड की, वो कहते हैं ना सर्जरी, गोल्ड की सर्जरी करेंगे आज न्यूयॉर्क में. चलो आज गोल्ड वही पकड़ते हैं, उसको उधेड़ेंगे. ओके. सो इट्स लाइक वी गॉट दिस. ओह, आई जस्ट नोटिस्ड, बातों बातों में मेन चीज़ तो निकल ही गई. लुक एट दिस ब्रो, लुक एट दिस. क्या आपका भी हो जाता है लिक्विडिटी स्वीप होने के बाद SL हिट? नाउ इमेजिन, कैन यू इमेजिन दैट पीपल आर एंटरिंग हेयर? कैन यू इमेजिन दैट देयर आर पीपल who wait for these beautiful equal high? There are people who trade liquidity. Now imagine liquidity sweep होने के बाद ही आपका SL हिट हो रहा है. अरे भाई, लिक्विडिटी स्वीप होने के बाद भी SL हिट हो रहा है लोगों का. Oh my God. Now, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Now, if I was you, I will not do anything here, because ये दो धारी तलवार है. अभी जो आप देख रहे हो, ये दो धारी तलवार है. ठीक है. लेट द प्राइज कम टू यू, डू नॉट चेज द प्राइज. ओके. अगर मैं अपने पूरे सालों का एक्सपीरियंस कोई 4-5 लाइनों में कहना चाहूँ, या कोई एक पैराग्राफ लिखना चाहूँ, तो उस पैराग्राफ की एक लाइन ये ज़रूर होगी कि डू नॉट, नेवर चेज द प्राइज. अगर इतना सा डाउट है कि यार ऊपर भी जा सकता, नहीं, कुछ मत करो भाई, बैठो आराम से. ट्रेडिंग इज 99.9999% वेटिंग. वो जो 0.001% जो मैं रह गया, उसमें क्या है, फ़ोन उठाया और क्लिक किया, लोड साइज डाल के क्लिक किया, बस इतना ही है ट्रेडिंग. वो 1 सेकंड की ही है ट्रेडिंग, उसके अलावा सारी की सारी वेटिंग है. अंडरस्टूड? We can define this M15 POI to this. And now remember, I told you we always have like this. And if you have both side POI, just wait bro, wait. We will go to M5 to see what is happening. Okay, we got this. Okay. Now if you have any doubt or questions, or if you want to ask anything related to EU and GU, or related to London session or Frankfurt session, we are not doing currently Frankfurt session, but in future we are going to do Frankfurt also. Okay, the reason is there are cycles in the market. Okay, there are cycles in the market. एक समरी में मैं आपको अगर बताना चाहूँ तो वो ये है, काफ़ी बार क्या होता है कि एक साइकिल चलने लग जाती है कि सिर्फ फ्रैंकफर्ट में मोमेंटम ज़्यादा आ रहा है और लंदन क्या कर रहा है, लिक्विडिटी बिल्ड कर रहा है. अब जैसे अभी क्या चल रहा है करंटली, लाइक आई वुड से अगर आप बैक टेस्ट करना चाहो तो आप कर सकते हो. आफ्टर फेब्रुअरी, आई वुड से फेब्रुअरी के बाद मार्केट कंडीशन चेंज होने लग गई थी. ठीक है, मे बी ट्रम्प रीजन समझ लो या कुछ भी समझ लो. आफ्टर दैट फ्रैंकफर्ट समटाइम्स गिव अ गुड एंट्रीज, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में ये देखो ट्रैप क्रिएट करता है. ट्रैप, लुक, अब यहाँ पर भी लोगों ने सेल फंसाई. अब इमेजिन करो ये जो सेल रिएक्शन आया, मैंने आपको क्या कहा था कि यार हर कैंडल के पीछे लॉजिक है. अब यहाँ से जो ये सेल रिएक्शन आया, आपको लगता नहीं कि यहाँ से लोगों ने सेल किया होगा? देर आर हाई पॉसिबिलिटी दैट सो मैनी पीपल हैव सोल्ड देयर entries here. And look at this, both side POIs, ये जो हमने मार्क कर रखे हैं, ये इसमें और इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है? कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं है भाई, कुछ भी. ओके, यहाँ पर भी लोग फंसे हैं, यहाँ पर भी फंसे हैं. अब लोग दोनों तरफ फंस रहे हैं, तो बच कौन रहा है? Sometimes the price is so easy, not sometimes, I believe every time the price is so easy if your mind is clear. Okay, खुद को हमेशा पॉजिटिव स्टेट में रखने की कोशिश करो, बिकॉज जो भी तुम्हारा मेंटल स्टेट रहेगा. नाउ गाइज, आई वुड थिंक दैट इज़ अ गुड let me check other pair also. Let's check the 1 hour candle. Let's see 1 hour candle. Okay. No, even if there was a sell entry, I will not take it. I will take it if it's Wednesday or even if it's Thursday, because it's the last day of the week and I have already made enough profit, so I don't think I should risk. Now I have 3 categories to trade. Okay, I have 3 categories to trade and you have to note them down, what I'm going to say now. Okay, and this trade comes in the first category. Okay, so I have 3 categories. Number 1, 50-50 trade. ऐसी ट्रेड जो जा भी सकती है, मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी है लेकिन 50-50 है. सेकंड, 80-20, कि यार 80% मेरा जो प्लान है उसके अकॉर्डिंग है ट्रेड और 20% डाउट, तो मारो. इसमें मैं इसमें और इससे नेक्स्ट जो है उसमें लेता हूँ दबा के ट्रेड साइजिंग. ओके, सो व्हाट डू वी हैव हियर? Oh, it's good. Now I'm not marking this as a liquidity right now. I'm not marking this as a liquidity right now because I have few doubt. Oh, okay. Now look. My trading is very simple. Like very simple. I only trade liquidity and imbalance. Yesterday I told you price has two areas to go only. It's either imbalance or it's either liquidity. Either price create liquidity or sweep liquidity, or it's going to mitigate the imbalance. यही दो आप कह सकते हो डेस्टिनेशंस है या फिर प्लेटफॉर्म्स है जहाँ पे मार्केट रुकती है और फिर चलती है. ठीक है. नाउ अब ये जो रिएक्शन है यहाँ से, ये रिएक्शन यहाँ से यहीं से क्यों आया, यहीं से क्यों आया ये रिएक्शन, ये जो कैंडल थी इसको मिटिगेट करके क्यों नहीं आया. लाइक why didn't price mitigate this candle right here? Because this is the good POI. If you don't know the full form of POI is full form is point of interest. Okay, its full form is point of interest. And OB is our order block, like block. I just remember कि last week I have watched Om Shanti Om, and he says किसी चीज़ को इतनी शिद्दत से पाने की मैंने साजिश की है, वो पता नहीं क्या क्या, कि पूरी कायनात ने मुझे उससे मिलाने की वो साजिश की है, जो भी है. I hope you understand. It was like so awesome. Just I feel it what he was saying. I have watched this film when I was child, but I just click like कि यार चलो देखते हैं क्या ही है. But when I watched it, अब मैंने जब इसको देखा, it was awesome. Some dialogues just hit your heart. So I just felt like sharing, so I just shared. Well, anyways, I am not looking for any sales right now because this trade setup comes into my 50-50 area. Okay, I am not going to give you any random shit, but yeah, my bias is sales, still sales. I want price to go more down because I have already seen this manipulation. Price has already taken these stop losses, these trailed stop losses. This manipulation is good, and now I don't trust this one right here. I don't trust this push, this, and same with GU also. In GU I have already marked, first of all, this area. This is 1 hour buy to sell. This is the last buy push that is responsible for all of this. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? Like how many times price came back and like retested this. Now imagine how many people are entering on this area, and like FOMO. Oh, the week is going. Maybe price will not come back here. So I should open up buy here, like here, and I should target the moon. But look, price came back, sweep his, and then he will be like, oh, this is the holy grail. I should trade. Oh my god, I got it. I am the best retailer trader. I'm the best ICTO, whatever. Oh my god. And now again, now here he opened one more position and stop out. So many, so easy, so beautiful, like so beautiful. I felt like कि मैं किसी को पकड़ के अपना एक्सपीरियंस दे दूँ कि how I see charts. कभी कभी इतना सुंदर लगता है कि यार क्या ही होगा इससे सुंदर, इतना इजी लगता है. Well, it's all comes down to your discipline. It all comes down to your discipline. कितना आप खुद अच्छे से खुद को मैनेज करते हो. Your ability to manage yourself. अब सेल लेने के लिए यहाँ पर ले सकते थे, बट नहीं लिया. क्यों? Because I told you that this trend line here, I want people to get excited. Look here, 1, 2, 3. And now, let me tell you one more thing. There is one possibility that I would love that if price did that, then I would love to see that. If price, let's say, came here, one more time price mitigated this trend line, then I would like 99% sure that let's target this liquidity, let's target this. I was like, what if price comes back here and mitigated this one more time? I would highly going to target at least this liquidity, at least this. But I would love to see price to break this, because this is a beautiful breakout. This is the last buy to sell. This is the last area, potential area. Now imagine people are already in sales. Now can you imagine guys, यहाँ पर लोग बाय में भी है, यहाँ पर बाय में भी है, यहाँ से, और ये जो जब ये हुआ तो यहाँ पर बाय में भी है और यहाँ से सेल में भी है. अब ये ऐसे एरियाज होते हैं जहाँ पर आपको अपने हाथ या तो पीछे कर लो, और अगर ट्रेड ले रहे हो तो कोई हायर टारगेट अचीव करने का प्रयास मत करो. डोंट ट्राई टू book some higher targets. Okay, and now I will tell you that price will sweep both of them, maybe in New York or whatever. New York is going to be a great session today. I can see that. I can see the session. I can see this Frankfurt and London session, and I can see what is going to happen. Let's delete this. Yeah, now look at this bro, look at this reaction, look at this. Can you see these wicks? Can you see these wicks bro? These wicks. हर एक चीज जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, उसके पीछे वही रीजन है. और कुछ चीजें मेरे मुंह से आप रिपीटेड सुनोगे. देयर विल बी फ्यू थिंग्स दैट यू आर गोइंग टू लिसन on repetitive basis from my mouth, and one of them is that every candle has a reason. If this wick goes down, then just imagine that there are so many people who took this sell from this POI, because they will be like, oh, I'm the best liquidity trader, the price has swept this liquidity. Look at this, the price has swept this liquidity, and now, oh my god, it's a good POI, and I am going to take a sell right here. And now look, and now look at this, 1 2, and we are going to have the third touch. It's good. It's really good. Wow. So apart from this, we have like so many things coming up in future, like so many, and I'm so excited about the future. We have invested so much times and investments, and all of the things will be provided to you in our Telegram and Discord groups. Okay, so I believe how much time it is. Okay, so I don't think that right now we have any good setups. But yeah, New York is going to be great. So let's see you, and let's see this chart again in New York. Okay, and if you have traded this session open buy, then I would highly recommend that you close your position right here. If you have traded this, then it's a good area to close your position on this right here. Okay, because some of you already know that session opens are very important. Session opens are like steroids. Okay, sessions open are like steroids. Okay, so look at this. London session open, sweep the liquidity, bullish candle, target the nearby liquidity. That's the nearby liquidity. Okay, but if you want to target all of the, if you want to target this, then that's, I would not say it's going to happen. I don't trust that. So let's see you, and let's see this chart again in the New York session. For now, tell me, what did you learn today? And we are going to connect again in today's live New York trading. And for your kind information, I am going to do that New York trade live. Okay, it's your host Rohit Sarawat. We will meet again in today's live. If you are from India, then connect us on around 6:15 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. 6:15 p.m. IST. So have a good day. May God bless you, and may God bless me also. I am sending you all of the positive energy. Best of luck, bro. Best of luck. I know you can do it. Just keep consistently working on your goals.